Hello, good afternoon. Thank you for signing up to watch today, and welcome to another episode of Crypto Made Easy. My name is Linda. I'm sure you know that. And for the past 3 weeks we've been looking at how to properly, dissect or just hammering on doing your own research like an OG without really depending on anyone to handhold you. And I'd done 2 videos prior to this time. Do your research part one and two that speaks to how to fundamentally just analyze every given crypto project before you decide to transition or just jump right in. And in the 2 videos I had done prior, I hammered in on the white paper. I think the white paper is the holy grail, just that's business case of every given project. And I think that, reading the white paper in itself should take skill, or to rephrase that, I would say that you should look out for, certain components of the white paper, when trying to read the white paper. The white paper in itself has, I mean, it's a lot of science. There's a lot of science around reading and properly dissecting the white paper. But, for, newbies who have not really read a white paper or who are looking to understand how to properly analyze a white paper, then this video is for you. Because what we'll be doing today essentially will just be dissecting a white paper, what you will find in the white paper, what you should look out for a white paper, the questions you should be asking around the white paper, and then you can decide to make your decision whether a project is for you or not. So, what's a white paper really? I would say that the white paper is the business plan of that project, right? It is the holy grail, it is the mother of everything, it has everything. You know how you have when you say go and do a feasibility study, I think it pretty much serves that purpose, right? And since Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin white paper sometime in 2008, a lot of other crypto projects have pretty much broad a leaf from that. And every given crypto project has a white paper. So let's talk about the common parts of a white paper. The first thing you will find is the abstract. The abstract, everyone knows what an abstract is, but just for the purpose of this video, an abstract is just the summary of the project, right? Something that speaks about the entirety of the project, why the project, when the project, what is the given birth to the project, what problems the project is solving, but it's just touching a lot of moving parts and just summarizing them. Then you would go right to the introduction. The introduction in a white paper pretty much speaks to the project. So it talks to you about the product. That product is the crypto project. Don't forget. So it talks to you about the product. It talks to you about the basic concepts. It talks to you about solutions, and then it talks to you about the problem. But then these are broken down into subsets. So in talking about the problem, there is a subheading that should address the problem that the crypto project is actually scaling, right? Is it scaling a commercial problem? Is it solving a commercial problem? Is it solving a utility problem? Is it solving an economic problem, right? You want to understand what the problem is really. And then the next thing would be to go into understanding how they say they are going to solve it with the crypto project, which is the solution, right? And I think it speaks to the product description, right? What is the project? How is it going to solve it? How is it going to do that thing it says it's going to do? When is it going to do that thing it says it's going to do, right? And then when you're looking at the solution, when you've looked at the solution, rather, you also want to pay attention to the tech around it, right? Because it's blockchain, it's technology, right? The tech is usually the nitty gritty of everything that powers a crypto project. And with the tech, there's always a development roadmap. So look out for that. Very important. Look out for the upgrades, look out for their MVP, the better thing. I mean, look out for all those things. Make sure it checks out, right, with the time frame that they have said that they will launch out with whatever product or whatever upgrade or whatever you find in the technical development plan. And then you want to also pay attention to the tokens and the tokenomics. Now, if you missed the previous videos, I urge you to go listen to them, because I talked about the tokens and tokenomics in a white paper. But let me just dissect again. We talked about understanding the tokenomics would be understanding what the maximum supply is, understanding what the circulating supply is, understanding what the distribution model is. So in distribution models, you want to pay close attention to the liquidity pool, Do they have enough? What was, what is reserved for staff? You want to also look at what was sold. I mean, what is reserved for private sale? What is reserved for public sale? Just make sure, the dynamics are really healthy, and then, you can make a call. And one other thing that the white paper should have that a lot of white papers do not have is the team. What's the team implementing? Who are the people implementing on this crypto project? You want to be sure that the founders or the people that are backing the project in terms of implementation, and by this I mean the team, are people who have worked in the space around the problem they say they are going to solve, or who can develop some kind of solution, or it has to be a team that is backable. If they say they are doing blockchain, what have they done in blockchain? What have they done in crypto? What is the precedent? What's their pedigree? What's their standing? Very important. But we just overlook these things, and the gen traders just jump in, and then everybody's crying crypto winter, winter crypto. Please do your research properly before you decide to, buy a token. Then I think the white paper should speak to how you should buy the token, where you would find the token, on what platforms the tokens will be. Are they on some centralized exchanges? Are they on some decentralized exchanges? You want to be very sure that there's a healthy listing, right, around the token. And then in conclusion, I would say look through the project roadmap. I tie this to the technical side of things. Look through the roadmap. When are the upgrades coming? Are they upgrading as they say they are going to upgrade? Are they merging when they say they are going to merge? Is there better testing happening when they say it's going to happen? What about the product? How is it iterating? What countries can you find them? Right? What dynamics are they using to penetrate the market? Right? What other products are they iterating or pivoting into? Very critical things that you want to look into. I try to keep these videos short just to, simulate your interest and just ensure that you come back next week, for your daily or your weekly nuggets around, researching or, transitioning into crypto or learning crypto, and just making it fun and easy for um viewers, right, to interact and engage with the video. If this video has blessed you, if it has blessed you, if you've learned something, please like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and spread the gospel by sharing, right? Spread the gospel by sharing. That's your own part. Thank you so much for watching. Looking forward to engaging again next week. But until then, have a fantastic week ahead. Bye.